How you doing, dudes? We are Scooby and me. This is us getting ready for Nambour. We haven't loaded the damn thing yet, but Scooby's been busy pricing shit all day. Haven't you, my friend? And playing with toys, really. So I don't know. Will we seen most of this? Have we got stuff we haven't seen or what?
No, it's all.
Oh. All right. Well, you get an idea. So what's this? Is that a $2 box? That's a $2 tub, even though something's got $3 on it. That's good when you sell things for $2 when you paid $3. Oops. Shh, nobody's seen that. So these are all individually priced, are they? We got 40 on him. Ooh, yeah, twice. So is he 80?
No, it's off about 80 on eBay.
Okay. Well, that's going to get squashed there. She should be on top. What do you put on her?
Nothing yet.
So she's free? 10. And so he has priced everything.
There's a few things that are priced.
That's not priced?
Yeah, there's the little tags in there.
Oh. I thought you repriced them.
No, I've got to go back to that box.
Oh. What'd you put on gone?
10.
Oh, that's cheap for 10. Oh, and you cleaned him. What's this one worth?
20, I think.
20?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, most of them are 20. There's a few that's 40.
Yeah.
I don't know where the other box is.
What are you putting on this fella? 80 on him, isn't he? Or 75?
Yeah.
So this is all the stuff that's going in. What we're going to do is we're going to put all the soft stuff at the front of the car, so if we have an accident we'll be hit by stuffed toys rather than flying other stuff. We got some tables ready. Oh, there's a fishing reel. That's going. You didn't see that before. That's a remote for something that we haven't found the other bit for.
The dog.
The dog, yeah. It looks a bit mank-like. It might not work anyway. What's that one? Is that a $5 tub? Oh, that's a tub that hasn't been done.
That's a $2 tub.
It's been done?
Yeah, it's all $2.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
So it can go into the other one.
That's cool. You can see all of this that's got to go in the car is... Now, it's going inside. Let's see what else is going on in here. There's an Alf. Some trolls. There's a big thingy and another thingy. A trumpet. Guitar Hero. Heaps more of these card things that I just kept finding. And there's a heap of basketball cards in there. There's a big box full of them. I haven't looked through them because I can't be bothered. So that's all trading cards and the like. That's the box I found at the storage shed that I didn't know I had. These are just bags, empty bags. So we've got plenty of bags for people. That's the Pokemon. Is that the Pokemon plush? No.
Yeah, there's some Pokemon in there. Yeah, that's one we did for the
That is the one we did, yeah. Some CDs. I've taken some CDs. I've got 2 boxes of CDs. I'm not taking a lot. It's mostly, as I said, this is for Scoobs. What I am taking is clothes. So, and we're not taking jackets. We're just taking T-shirts. A little bit of girls' clothes because Jenny gave me some to sell. You know, some of her Lululemon and stuff like that. So all this is going. What do we got down here? A heap of jeans. They're all good, you know, either Wranglers or... They're all good brand jeans. That's with coat hangers. Bag of hats. There's a few bags of hats. That's full of T-shirts. What I haven't found is my bloody... the old jerseys and stuff that the guys, that St. George one, and I just don't know where the hell it is. And we seem to have found everything else. It's got to be here. Maybe I packed it already, but at the moment, I can't find it at all. Not in these. No, I didn't think there was room for that in that, because I had other stuff on it. There's no room. Yeah, so I don't know where they are. Which is a shame, because people are coming for that couple of the jerseys. So hopefully I've got them. But I'll keep looking if I haven't anyway. But I've pretty much gone through everything. And I've gone and watched the video That's more jackets and stuff that we're not taking because we just got so much. That's not going. Yeah, we're not taking any books. We're not taking any glassware at all. We're not taking anything that plugs in. None of his games. You know, we've just got that. These are old hickory sharp golf clubs. They're going. There's Star Wars fact files. They're complete. There's a couple of old Lego pieces laying around. They're my new shoes. They're not going. But gee, it might be in that. I might have to have a look in there. I've looked everywhere. That Chucky's going from up there. This is going though. So we're getting there. Dan will be back shortly. He's going to do his lawns and stuff. We're going to pack the car tonight, so that's all ready to roll. And we'll leave here about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So what we don't do tonight, we can do first thing in the morning anyway. Scooby, you want to show them anything brilliant?
I think they've already seen.
What's this? They haven't seen that.
No, that's missing parts.
That's why they haven't seen it. Well, that's cool.
Yeah, there's a bag of money.
Yeah, they haven't seen any Mighty Max stuff. What'd you put on that?
I don't know, so some like missing parts and that.
They're still so hard to get, man.
There's another.
You got a price in there.
Yeah, but I think I put a few more in there after.
Yeah, but look at the price. You can't turn it over. You can't literally. He knows what he's doing. He's cool. He's Mighty Max.
I'll put that, yeah, I'll put a few more in there. Since,
Yeah, we might do them separate, man.
yeah, but they're missing parts.
People don't care. We've probably got the parts in one of those little stupid boxes. Oh, you believe it? Put that in. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I've sold them before. I've made great money on them before. That's why I that's why I know about it. Did you put that remote in that box there with the gold one?
Probably.
Yeah, it was over there, wasn't it?
I think I'll put it in there.
Yeah, so we're going to be there. Oh, let me show you. People ask me where we are. Where's our site? So I went back to our first video on Nambour.
We're at Nambour.
So we have the same site every time. So this is us here.
There's Dan's car. Here's Danny. People starting to set up over here.
See, that's the main pavilion down there.
Dumplings are already
Opposite
here.
the dumplings, the toilet block's down there, past the rotund. Oh, I might go and show you, so I can't remember.
A lot of people already like starting to set up.
So you get an idea where we are, if you watch this.
We're going to go for a look yet. There's not enough to look at.
But my toilets are to the right, just there. So I think you get an idea. You get an idea where we are from there, and I'm hoping to do a live tomorrow from the actual joint, so that'll be fun. All right, well we're gonna get into it. You didn't put it in. We know what we're doing. All right, hopefully we see you all there, man, because we've got a lot of stuff to sell, and we're gonna sell it, right, Scoob? That's our goal. So do not be frightened to approach us and say we want to buy everything. We're quite happy to sell you everything. Okay. All right, lunch is all. Say bye, Scoob. See you guys.